Hi, welcome to How to Garden. Today we're going to make an ancient watering device called an olia with a little bit of a modern twist. Now what an olia is an unglazed pot that you sink into the ground and put water in. It's important that it's an unglazed pot so that the water seeps through it. It's a device that was found in desert cultures all over the world and is very useful today if you happen to be in a situation where you can't water regularly, or maybe you're having a particular water retention issue. I've chosen this smaller pot. It's a little smaller than I normally would use, but I'm going to actually put this one inside of a larger pot that I'm growing something in, and it happens to be the perfect size for that. With these, they happen to have a hole in the bottom. You need to seal that hole up. You can use pretty much anything that's on hand. I'm just going to use an old bottle cap and some all-purpose sealant. You just simply put a little bit around the edges, then place it inside, press it down, and of course you've got to let it dry. I'll be back for the second part momentarily. Now that I've let the glue dry, I'm going to go ahead and place it where I want it. In this case, I'm going to be using it in a large pot where I happen to have Greek oregano growing. During the dry season, this pot tends to have an issue because I very seldomly get over to this area to water during that time of year. So this will help solve that problem. You simply sink it into the ground most of the way. Fill it full of water. And put a lid on it. The reason for the lid is to keep little critters from falling in it and drowning. And that's an ancient olia being put to use. Thank you. Have a good day. Now for a small mail call. Catfish Terry sent me something. So let's find out what's in here. Alright, I got a sticker for his channel, Catfish Terry. If you don't have catfish, you should go over and join his channel. Thank you, Catfish. We'll be putting this somewhere good. You have a good day.